off work. Just trying to put it in. Or now we need strawberry pizza. What's up, y'all? Bro got her some seat covers. She's got off work. Now she's trying to put it in. Yeah, all red and black. So yeah, try to get this in. She's having trouble right now. Trying to get this stuff in.
Chair thingy on first.
Shiny part in the front.
Hey, look at him. Hey guys.
Oh, this is all there.
Uh-oh, I lost the red thing. Oh, thanks.
What red?
Oh, this is the one that goes on the... Oh, that was on your seat.
So,
That's upstairs.
it's the final, y'all. It's done.
You don't think this is so fuzzy?
Fuzzy stuff.
Fuzzy stuff.
Yep.
Fuzzy stuff.
What's up, y'all? I'm on my way to get some cookies, some strawberries, and some pizza. Movie night.
Got a lot going on.
Strawberries. Try to get some that's cut. Try to get some that's cut. But the ones you gotta dip. You got some right here. All right, y'all, and got the strawberries, and now we are about to find the chocolate. Find the chocolate. Right over there. You need bark. Bark chocolate. Come in like squares. Dark chocolate. Now we about to get a 2-liter orange soda. Favorite. Now we need pizza. Need that oil. Don't need any bologna. Now we finna get some pizza, y'all. What kind you want? What style? I mean brand. You know? Well, guess I'll figure it out. What's that on there? Sausage, pepperoni, and all that. All right, there you go. Now we need mozzarella sticks. Mozzarella sticks. What kind do y'all like? Y'all like Fridays better, or Farm Rich? What's mozzarella sticks y'all think is better? Probably gonna grab these. This one? No, I want no fried pickles. She want fried raviolis. Is the bag, or you want? Or is there a smaller bag? Oh yeah. Cheers. Fried raviolis. All right, y'all. We got everything we need. Let's go check out. Peanut butter and jelly Crustables. They do be fire. Comment down below if y'all eat peanut butter and jelly Crustables. This line is long. Line long right now, y'all. So we waiting in line. Waiting. Still waiting, y'all, in line. Where's she going? What are you doing? Get some stuff. We're gonna cook a pizza and watch some Christmas. Yeah, and watching some Christmas movies. Love you. That was my cousin Naya. So, excuse me.
You're gonna look like the idiot now.
For Shell's Reward, please phone number. Do you have select your method of payment?
Got the food, y'all. Heading out the store. It is snowing now. Good. It's snowing. It's snowing. It's about to be a blizzard. It's about to be a blizzard, y'all. And I gotta see if this window works because it wouldn't go up when we went inside the store. So hopefully it works now. See, still not working?
The next day.
All right, y'all. It's snowing again. The window still down. So we need to try to cover that. Try to get some of this snow down. Whew, it's cold out here, y'all. Gotta try to get the window fixed. And then it snowed in on us last night. So it's cold, it's snowing. All types of stuff. Hold on, got the window taped up with garbage bag, but it popped open. So now I got snow all over.